Miss Holly, can you tell us a little bit about what's gone on with you? Has this been a positive experience? Is it something that you would recommend? I mean, you know, really just speak from your heart and share with people something that they may not know, and just let us know how you're feeling today sitting here after battling cancer through surgery and continuing to battle through diet and everything else that, you know.
I have to say that's the hardest battle.
Okay. Good.
It's trying to build for the chemo. I'm just going to have a little bit of chemo, just precautionary. But I don't feel like I've had a tough journey because of you. And where surgery's traditionally been a horrible experience for me, illness just months. And I was home in a week and a half, and people said, "Is it working?" And I just didn't know until you could alleviate the pain for me completely. And always felt so energetic when you would leave me. And when the second day would come, when you'd call and say, "Are you ready for me?" it was always a yeah. I mean, a big yes, but then I was 100% again. So I don't feel like the journey's been tough for me. I kind of feel like I'm cheating a little bit. But it absolutely works. I am responding in a big way, I feel.
Tell me a little bit about the impression that you've gotten from your family members, people that are close to you. What have they said? What's their feedback of looking at you and your history of other battles you've had versus now?
They 100% believe in acupuncture. They see how I've recovered from it, from the surgery, where I've never done that in the past. And they are true believers in spreading the word too, because they both work in the medical field, and they're both asking me, and I'm giving your name out because I wouldn't do it if I didn't believe. I believe that this is the route for the rest of my life. I don't think I go well with Western medicine, and I don't respond to it well. So I respond to your healing. I have allergies to all pain medicine. I have diabetes. I'm under control, but of course when you have an illness, then it becomes an issue a little bit. I have chronic fatigue, and I've been 3 years off of work because of it, which now has fibromyalgia. Never had that before, and I'm not suffering from it because whatever your well, I shouldn't say it that way. Your treatment is in very low iron, so I have to do it through food. And your supplement, they're not really supplements, are they food replacement? Or
they can be called supplements. I think anything that we supplement our usual diet with is just a supplement.
But I'm able to handle them where I've never been able to handle supplements before.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
So
the ones that I'm prescribing for you
I've handled every
work
one
well
of
with
them.
your digestion.
Yes.
Don't cause you nausea or
No.
indigestion or reflux. Is there anything you want to share with anyone? Any words of encouragement? Any words? 1 word, 2 words? It's up to you.
Well, I think it was a week after I heard the news. There's no cancer in our family on either side, anywhere. So I was very shocked, kind of. And I met Dr. Ken a week later, and I have not gone to the bad place because I trust that because he's with me, it's just not going to be a negative journey. And I would say to anyone, if you want to give this a try, I don't feel like I've had any hardship through it, and it's just been an easy journey, which I've been through it with another family member and when it wasn't, so that's why I feel like I'm cheating it a bit.
Thank you.
But he absolutely is a healer.
Thank you.
In his heart and everywhere else.
I appreciate that. It means a lot. And I think one thing we have in common is we're both praying people. So, you know, I've learned to embrace stories of healing and being a part of it. And I think that we can both honestly say that I guess when two people come together for good purpose, that, and we pray about it, that, you know, love and goodness and healing is in the midst, and I think that that's where we're at. And so I'm glad that we both get to experience it together, because I truly believe that what we do for another, we do for ourselves. So
I agree.
I thank you for giving me the opportunity to be healed by you as well.